Starting around 02 August 2023, fundamentally spell essentially token for the most part is exchanging at $0.00046932 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.49% in by and large most recent 60 minutes truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell especially has a really complete market cap of $50,407,960, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,766,683, which most certainly is genuinely huge. This essentially makes truly spell in every practical sense. Token, spell, truly positioning at 358 in the digital currency market in an especially significant manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the spell kind of symbolic cost forecast finish of 2023. What will truly spell genuinely token basically be really worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is for the most part spell sort of token an excellent venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will explicitly spell cost in every practical sense outperform its untouched high, which really is genuinely critical? These certainly are our generally spell genuinely token cost expectations for spell's future, or so they explicitly thought. Spell kind of token, spell, value expectation 2023. As per the spell genuinely token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost basically is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.00056821, the normal truly least value worth of in a real sense, spell truly token, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to be $0.00054935, exhibiting how might truly spell cost truly outperform its unequaled high in an essentially enormous manner. Besides, truly spell can by and large arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $0.00059828. Spell pretty token, spell, value gauge August 2023. The spell certainly token, spell, cost for August 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.00045274, while the especially greatest gauge cost in a real sense is around $0.00050934, or so they fundamentally thought. The typical cost for in a real sense spell in every practical sense is especially anticipated to truly reach $0.00049519 in August 2023, showing how starting around 02 August 2023, fundamentally spell really token sort of is exchanging at $0.00046932 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.49% in essentially most recent 60 minutes. Essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of basically spell truly token certainly is determined to be at around a by and large least worth of $0.00049142, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The spell genuinely token value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $0.00052914, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars, exhibiting how fundamentally spell explicitly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $50,407,960, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,766,683, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell really token, spell, value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of truly spell truly token basically is somewhat anticipated to essentially arrive at a very normal cost of $0.00053045, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.00054974 and a truly least of $0.00051158, or so they truly thought. Spell in every practical sense, token, spell, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Essentially spell token cost truly is estimate to all things considered, arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of $0.0005279. The spell cost could generally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.0005796, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.000546636. Showing how truly spell basically has a really all-out market cap of $50,407,960, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,766,683, or so they sort of thought. Spell exceptionally token, spell, value figure December 2023. The spell sort of token, spell, cost for December 2023. May for the most part arrive at least worth of $0.0005495, while the greatest gauge cost especially is around $0.000598828, which for the most part is very huge. The kind of typical cost for fundamentally spell sort of is truly anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.0005681 in December 2023. Spell fundamentally token, sort of past value examination. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been basically diminished by 0.8% in its genuinely current worth, demonstrating the way that the spell cost could arrive at and in every practical sense. Greatest cost of $0.0005796 with the truly normal expected cost around $0.000546636. Showing how essentially spell sort of has an all things considered, complete market cap of $50,407,960, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,766,683. Incredibly. On the off chance that we by and large look at the especially current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, showing that all things considered, spell value gauge September 2023, in September 2023, the cost of truly spell really token all things considered, is gauged to in every practical sense, be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.000491442 in an especially enormous manner. Spell in every practical sense, token all things considered, is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in an especially significant manner. The spell basically is down to nearly 0.17% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, showing how besides explicitly spell can truly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.000598828. Spell certainly token, spell, value conjecture August 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for August 2023 may explicitly arrive at a truly least worth of $0.000452774, while the most extreme determined cost essentially is around $0.0005094, or so they by and large thought. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly past beautiful few days. The coin could in a real sense have sort